Hello friends, so this is Ajay. I'm going to tell you today how to change the server name and how we can add the server to a domain. So this is a new server we have right now and it's in the network. And okay, so let's go. So we will go to the computer properties. For that you can just open the file explorer and you can right click on the my PC or this PC, then go to the properties. So here you will see that the system, this server is in workgroup, and the computer name, this is a default computer name, means uh, which get assigned means at the time of the installation. So we are going to change the computer name, and we are also going to add this server to the domain as well. So what we can do, we can go to the change setting here, and here you will see the option means to rename this computer or change its domain or workgroup, click change. So we are going to hit on change button. Okay, so if you want to change the server name, you have to type id, means the server name which you want to give to this computer or a computer name. So id test 01, and see, right now it's default, it is workgroup. Okay, so we have to click on the domain and we have to provide the domain name, in which domain we have to add this server to the, means where we want to add it. So we will be tally.hu. So we will hit enter. Okay, so it is asking for the credential. See, if you want only the computer name to be changed, then it will not ask for any credential. But we have also means we are also renaming adding this server to the domain. So that is the reason it is asking for the credential, and we will be using only the credential which should have a means domain admin access. If you won't have the domain admin access, you won't be able to uh, uh, join the server to the domain. So I will be using my domain admin access, that is n8001-adm, and password. Okay, let's see. Okay, so means this is actually needed when you have a new server in your environment. Suppose you have new built application server, any web server, any kind of server which you want that server to be means uh, into the domain. So in that condition, we will be this is needed, and in case, okay, so the username and password is incorrect. Let's try again. Okay. Meanwhile, I was saying that I believe this will again fail because I think my this account is not a part of the. Okay, we got it. So if you see, welcome to the tally.hu.com. So this is the domain. So we will click on OK. Now it will ask for a restart. Means if you want to just rename the computer name, then also it will ask for a restart. And if you want to if you are adding a server to the domain, then also it will ask for a restart. Okay, so we will be restarting it. Restart now. And okay, I was saying means the conditions where you need this kind of request means when means first I have already told you when you have a new server in your environment, and so basically that new server should be added into the domain. And in some of the cases your means trust relationship, you will see a kind of error, trust relationship error. So in that case means your server is not syncing with the domain controller, or it has means there is a broken in communication between them. Mean the trust relationship has been broken between your domain computer, okay, and your this member computer. So in these cases also you have to you have to rejoin this server to the domain. So in that case what you will do, you will right now, okay, I will show you. So you were getting the option means you will select the work group, okay, and again means you will be putting the server into the work group, and you will restart the computer, and then again you will rejoin the server to the domain. So that is the way we can means rejoin the server to a domain. So we will wait. So this is taking too much time. Okay. So now we will be using our that domain ID. Okay. Okay. See. So if you have any queries related to this, so just please you can comment me. Okay, and let me show. If you go here, the computer name has been changed, and the full computer name is this, and the domain, if you see, that is delhi.hu.com. And if you go to the change setting, I was saying about rejoining. So what you can do, you can come to the work group and you will type work group, and you will click on OK, and it will again ask for a credential, and again that credential should be means the account which you will be using. So that account should be a member of domain admin, or it should have a domain admin access. Okay, so then only you will be able to rejoin or re-add the server into the domain. And once the server into the work group, then again what you have to do, you have to join it to the domain in the same way. So that is thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like this video, then please do subscribe and like this channel. This is actually my first video which I am going to upload on the YouTube. Thank you so much, guys.